Hi guys, it's Yongxin Hu. Welcome back. It's lunchtime. So today for your lunch, I'm going to teach you guys make a really special looking dish. It's called Chicken Lollipops. If you haven't watched the video from this morning, and if you want to know how to make your own homemade chicken popcorn, I will pop the link above. Make sure you check it out. Now let's get everything started. So here you can either use chicken drumsticks or the bottom part of the chicken wings, which look like a small version of the drumsticks. So here I'm gonna show you guys how to turn the drumstick from here to a lollipop shape. It's actually really easy. So all we need to do from the I'm going to show you guys. So we need to cut about here. And basically when you cut through all of these. And then all the way around. Then we push all the meat and the skin up. So just push really hard, push, and give us enough space for the bone. And then for the bottom part, we are going to take the skin and the bone off. So basically, you guys can see here, got something. It has a small bone connect to it. We just need to debone the whole part. So in the end, all we got will look like this. So one tip here for you guys. After you push all the meat up, it might try to back to this end again. So what we need to do here, we just need to twist it a little bit and push down. And twist it again to make this part tight on the bone. And then that's it. So I'm going to quickly prepare my drumsticks. So I just prepared 6 of my chicken lollipops. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to make the marinade sauce for this specific dish. So here I got a small saucepan. Here we are going to add in about 100 milliliters of oil. So vegetable oil, olive oil, or deep fried oil, whatever oil you fancy to use. And we are going to need 100 milliliters, and we are going to pop it in the saucepan and heat it up. So I'm going to quickly do that. Then I got a small bowl here. We are going to put in some star anise. I got 2 here. And we are going to put in a pinch of Sichuan pepper. Just normal Sichuan pepper will do. So I'm going to add in a pinch of Sichuan pepper. Here I'm going to add in 1 teaspoonful of chili powder or crushed chili. So if you can't eat spicy, or if you are going to make this dish for somebody who can't really handle spicy food or don't like spicy food, just ignore this part. Then we are going to add in 1 teaspoonful of sesame seeds. And then we are going to add in 2 garlic cloves, finely chopped. Once you can see the oil start to smoke a little bit, we are going to turn off the heat and bring the oil, and we are going to slowly pour into the small bowl, so tiny bit at a time, and then give everything a quick stir. More, give everything a quick stir. More, quick stir, and more. That's gonna be the base of our marinated oil. So now we are going to add in a few things to marinate the chicken. So we are going to leave the marinade sauce on the side to cool a little bit, because if we are going to marinate the chicken with the boiling hot oil sauce, and the chicken gonna get cooked through straight away, that's not what we want. So we are going to leave the marinade oil on the side for a bit. So here I'm going to put my chicken drumsticks in a glass bowl. So here I'm going to add in 1 tablespoonful of corn flour. Then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. Pour it in, and 1 tablespoonful of light soy sauce. Then we are going to add in 1/4 of a teaspoonful of white pepper powder. So white pepper powder. Then we are going to add in 4 slices of ginger. And then I'm going to give everything a quick mix. And then we are going to leave the chicken just on the side for about 5 minutes until our marinated oil is ready. The marinated oil we just made is cool now. I'm gonna pour everything from that bowl to the glass bowl. Then we are going to give everything a good mix. Make sure all the part has been covered with my marinade sauce. Now I'm gonna use some cling film, cover my glass bowl, and I'm gonna pop my glass bowl in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. And we'll be back in a sec. So it has been 25 minutes because I left my chicken in the fridge for slightly longer. Here, as you guys can see, I got a bowl of corn flour. I got 2 eggs. I'm gonna beat them up now. So I got 2 eggs, and which I just beat them up, and I got a bowl of breadcrumbs. So here I just preheat my deep fryer to 170 degrees, 170 Celsius, and it's literally just at the temperature. So before we do anything, we are going to quickly massage the drumstick again. Also, we are going to make sure the chicken lollipop is only on one side. So we're going to press it down really tight and just twist it. It's going to quickly do all of them. And also, we are going to make sure the chicken lollipop is covered with marinade sauce before we dip it in the corn flour. Yeah, so I'm happy with this one now. I'm going to quickly dip it in the corn flour. So we are going to sauce corn flour, make sure it's definitely covered. Then we are going to dip in the egg liquid, make sure it's definitely covered. Then we are going to the breadcrumb. Then I'm going to put the chicken lollipop in the deep fryer carefully. So here we're going to hold it for a few seconds. Make sure the lollipop where the meat ends is definitely sealed. Yeah, then I'll just let it go to the deep fryer. And here I'm going to quickly fry all of them, and I will show you guys what they look like afterwards. Here is my homemade chicken lollipops. Here I got my signature dipping sauce, which I told you guys the other day. If you want to know how to make it, I will pop the link above. Make sure you check it out. Now it's the most important part. Try my lunch. I'm just gonna use hand today, guys. Honestly, there's no better way to eat it. I'm just gonna eat like this. Ooh. Honestly, it's so juicy inside and so crunchy outside. It has garlic taste and Sichuan pepper taste, a little bit chili taste, and with the dipping sauce and the spring onion on top, it's just brilliant. Oh my god, it's literally finger licking worthy. Wow, guys, definitely try this recipe. It's so good, so good. Right, make sure you guys like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do it now and tap the bell at the same time. So when I post a new video, you'll be notified. Right, now I'm gonna enjoy my lunch. I will see you guys at dinner time. Bye!